Hello students, welcome back to maths class. So here I am back with new video, and in this class I shall be teaching you chapter 2, operations on sets. So in my last class I had discussed the introductory part, right? The different types of operations on sets. What is union, what is intersection, what is set, what is subset, what is superset, right? What is universal set and what is complementary set. So I hope that you all are clear with this term, because if you are not, then you will find difficulties in solving the given questions. Okay, so if you have not learned yet, then do learn it, okay, before solving the exercise questions. So with this, let us start our today's class. So you see page number 13, exercise 2. Okay, so the first question given is, it is said that if set A, some elements are given 3, 6, 9, 12. B, elements are given 9, 12 and 15. C, 3, 6 and D is equal to 15 and 9. So which of the following statements are correct? Okay, so here are some statements given. Okay, now out of this we have to tell which are correct and which are not correct. Okay, so let's start with this question number 1. So see, set A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. B is 9, 12, 15. C is equal to 3 and 6, and D is equal to 15 and 9. Now see, now what does the first statement say? First statement is saying that A is subset of B. Okay, now you see these are two sets, A and B. The element of A are 3, 6, 9, 12 and B is 9, 12, 15. For A to be a set of B, okay, so A should have the elements which is present in B. So if we compare this two set, A doesn't have element, all the elements that is present in B. So the first statement is not correct. So this is false. Now B is a subset of A. So see, the same reason goes for this also. This is set A, this is set B. These are the element. If you compare the element, B doesn't have all the element that is present in A. Therefore, this is also false. So this is not correct. Then you see number C. C is the subset of A. So C is 3, 6. Now A is 3, 6, 9, 12. See, the elements which is present in C, okay, if you see, if you compare the element, the set A, you will find the same element, okay, present here. So this statement is correct. It is true. Then you see D. C is subset of B. 3 and 6. So here if you compare these two sets, these elements are not present here. So this is false again. Then E. D is subset of B. So this is B. 15 and 9. So here you see, yes, 15 and 9 are present here in a set B, right? So it is a subset of B. D is a subset of B. So this is true. Then F. D is not subset of A. So D, 15 and 9, yes. 3, 6, 9, 12. It is said that D is not subset, is not. Okay, yes, this statement is true, because to be a subset, to become a subset, this should have this element, right? It should be here, right? But it is not there. So this is true. Then comes your G. It is said that C is superset of D. So this is C, 3, 6, right? 3 and a 6. And is it true? No, it is not true. C is not superset C and D. 3, 6, 15 and 9. Okay, it is not a superset of, this sign means it is a superset of D, but it is not superset of D. Okay, so superset means what? That Okay. So H. Now what is H? H is B is subset of D. B. Is it subset of D? No, it is not a subset of D. Okay. I hope the question number 1 is clear to you. Alright. Now, next question number 2. Here you have to form all the possible subset of the following. Okay. So, question number 2. So, let me show you few from this, and I hope rest you will be able to do. I'll do question number 2a. So, the element is 9. Now, you have to find subset. Now, what are the possible subset of this? See, there is only one element, right? So, obviously, this element itself will be the subset of this, isn't it? And one more possible is that there is no subset, means there is null, right? So, null and this. Okay? Okay, let us do one more. So, let us do C. P, M, N. Okay, now what could be the subset? 1, null. It may happen that there is no subset, right? So, null. Or P could be there. M, right? N can be the subset. Then this 2, PM. This 2, MN. And this 2, PN. Or all these 3, P, M, N. So, these are the possible subset of this. So, I hope that this is clear to you. Okay. So, let us try question number 3. Okay. Now, question number 3 is that from all possible proper subsets. See, in a proper subset, the subsets cannot be equal. Okay. So, question number 3, 2, 7. So, possible subset is either null, 2, 7. See, here 2, 7 cannot be the subset of this, because in a proper subset, 2 subset cannot be equal. They can be subset of this, okay, but not, it shouldn't be equal, okay. So, this is A. So, let us try one more. D, X, Y, Z. So, null. First possible is null, that is, there is no subset. It could be X, it could be 4, it could be 2, okay. Then, it could be X and 4, it could be X and 2, and it could be 4 and 2, but it could not be X, 4 and 2. See, in a previous one where we are asked to find possible subset in question number 2, I have written the question given also, right? What is there in a question? Because in subset, this could be the subset of itself, okay? But in a proper subset, it could not be subset of itself, okay? Because it couldn't be equal, right? So, I hope that question number 3 is clear to you. So, rest of the question from this part, do try by yourself. If you cannot do, then just let me know, okay? Then, let us try one more question, okay, in today's class. That is question number 4. So, find the number of subsets of a set containing 5 elements. So, there is a formula to solve this question number 4. And the formula is 2 to the power n. So, here n represents the number of element. So, what it is asked? You are asked for 5 element, isn't it? So, 2 to the power 5. So, if you expand it and you calculate, what you'll find, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 16, 2 to the 32. So, how many subset can form if a set contain 5 element? I hope you all have understood. See, it is asking that suppose A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 elements, right? Now it is asked that how many subset can be formed from this 5 elements. So answer is 32. Now how did we find it? We found this answer by using this formula, that is 2 to the power n, and n represent the number of element, and in a question the number of element given is 5 number. That's why 5 is put here, and we solved it and we got the answer. So dear students, this is all for today's class. Do write down this in your notebook, and rest of the question we will try in our next class. Till then, take care.